Hello. Um, this video is really exciting to make. I had a lot of problems finding this solution and I never ended up finding it and I ended up just making one up and it works great. So what I was trying to do, because if you stream from a console, but you play with people on PC and they always want to talk on Discord, but you want to listen to your game audio, but you want to listen to Discord audio, then that's two sets of headsets. It's it's something. You got to listen to the game somewhere and then the voices another place. Recently, I was struggling with that. I was playing with a few guys that were all on PC. They all were in Discord, and that's just how they played. And so I didn't get to talk to them. Like they could hear me, but they couldn't reply to me. So I had to pull up one of their streams and like try to listen to his. It was all over the place, and I started to get pretty annoyed with it. So I started digging, and I tried to find how you can split Discord audio with gameplay audio, and I didn't really, honestly, I didn't find anything. I found people trying to come up with solutions like open the browser in your PS4 and then you can log into Discord, but then it has limitations that it doesn't actually work at all. So there was never really a solid answer that worked. I had some people mentioning an app called Quarrel, and to do that, you have to have a headset with an optical cable. Like there was something that you had to have each time. And so with some playing around, I was able to get it to work perfectly, and it sounds way better than like Party Chat in PlayStation 4. It's crystal clear. It doesn't get any sort of lag or delay. And when I like if you play Warzone or something, you can there's pre-lobby, your voice will cut out for like 20 seconds, 30 seconds sometimes, every time, every single game. And with Discord, doesn't do that. You can have friends pop in and speak to you when they're not even in the game. So it's just like a much better solution anyway. So I'm going to show you how to get that going with your console setup. So this is part two. So go back and watch how to install Black Hole on your computer to get internal audio. And that will help you kind of get to this one. So go watch that video first. I'll put it right here and then come back to this one. Now that you're back, we will move on and get this sorted out. So what you need to do is my SteelSeries headset used to be plugged into my Elgato using the ChatLink cable and then plugged into my controller for PlayStation. And then that allowed me to get chat audio while I'm gaming to my stream. And that was it. That was really the only reason it was plugged in. So that's no longer. It's now plugged in using the 3.5 mil to my Mac Mini. And there's so many pluses from this at the end of this. Like this is gonna make so many people happy. And so what I've done is that gives me computer audio, which is obvious. So I can hear Discord. I can use my microphone in Discord. You're probably wondering how you get game chat and how you hear the game. So if you just open OBS and you have your gameplay from your capture card as monitor and output, there's no lag on it. So you can hear the game from OBS and not from the PlayStation directly. Zero lag. I promise you, there's no lag. If there is, it's 1 millisecond because you fire a gun, you hear it right away. There's no missed audio at all. So you're basically listening to the audio from the capture card from the Elgato and not directly from the PlayStation from the OBS. So you have to switch your advanced properties to monitor and output for that specific source. So then at that point, you have your game audio in your ear from OBS. You can open Discord in the background. You have your same microphone that you're streaming with, or your headset microphone if you have one, as the input for Discord. And then the output of Discord is also in your headset. So it's picking up both, and you can balance those levels out. Like if you need your game audio up, then you can turn your game audio up. If you need your chat Discord up, then you can turn each person's voice, like you can tune those specifically. So then you have both of those in your ear at the same time. You're chatting, no problem. And the other beauty of it is when I was gaming and streaming, I'm listening to only the PlayStation audio. So I missed alerts, like if I got followers, subscribers, donations, whatever, I couldn't hear that little chime because I'm not listening to the computer. So now you can. It's pretty loud by default, but you can fiddle with that and get it to work really well. So now you can hear all of that. And if you wanted to stream and watch like a video, react to a video, if you wanted to play music, then you can kind of like also monitor that. The video will come into your ears. Like no matter what is happening, you'll hear it because the PlayStation only plays that one sound. It's just playing the game or whatever you're playing. But the computer is the one that's carrying the heavy load of it's you can hear all your friends chatting, you can speak back to them, you can hear your alerts. If you have emails and text messages, you can hear those. If you're watching a video, you can hear that. So this is a plus in several different ways. There is some little things that you'll have to figure out here and there to balance it to make it sound good. First video kind of explains the black hole part, which is to stream that audio out. So that will help you get to that point. But really, everything is pretty straightforward once you just plug it into the computer, listen to your game audio from OBS instead of the PlayStation, and then that's it. Then you can listen to whatever you want on your computer all at the same time. So this is an actual solution with no extra stuff. Like obviously you need a capture card, but that's the whole point of this anyway, is that you would probably have one in the first place. So you're pulling the audio from the capture card instead of the PlayStation and you're listening to it on the computer. And you get to mix everything you need and it's fantastic. I'll have, like I said, the link to the first video to get Black Hole installed on your Mac below. And yeah, if there's any questions at all, leave them, pop into the stream, ask them, and I reply to every single comment and question. And then, yeah,